I'm just the girl standing in front of humanity, asking to connect to people and to a better internet. How can it be that with everything, everywhere, available all the time, now we feel even more lonely, detached, divided, depressed, and lonely than ever before? Through touch screens, we gained the world, but lost the touch. And now we live in a paradox of disconnection. Despite being more connected than ever, true emotional bonding is paradoxically at an all-time low. The effects of social disconnection are alarming. Child suicide rates have increased 150% in a decade. The health effects of social disconnection are comparable to smoking 15 cigarettes a day, with an increased risk for stroke increased by 32%, increased risk of heart disease by 29%, and increased risk for dementia by 50%. Teenagers report feeling lonelier than any other generation before them. What will the world look like in 10 years if nothing changes? We can do better than this. The technology already exists. Our mission is simple yet profound: to solve the loneliness pandemic caused by the disconnection paradox, one of the most detrimental problems of our time. Today, we press reset. Today, we introduce a new era of human connection.
What happened to us? We built towers that scraped the sky, but forgot how to reach out to the people next to us. We crafted worldwide webs that span continents, but lost the threads that connect, the presence of togetherness in the human experience. We're not apart. We're a part of a bigger picture. A picture of a sky full of stars, cities full of light, space filled with life. We're a part of the vast cosmos that is as much within us as it is our home, our origin, within our atoms, DNA, cells, and all life itself. We're a part of the same story, one that we write together. Alone, we're just words. Together, we're the full story. Connected, we make our story come to life. Lost in screens, we forgot to dream. We forgot to be here. We forgot what makes us real. This loneliness within us, it's not real. It's an illusion of mere surface separation. It just lacks depth. It's just a space waiting to be filled. Space filled with shared joy, palpable expression, with love, with life. What if I told you that your picture is so much bigger than you think? What if your memories are universes of expanding possibilities? What if you can relive the most beautiful moments of your life with others? What if you can connect to the lives of others like your own? What if our best memories become shared realities? It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new world. A dimension of universal presence, an expanding spatial net of collective imagination. Every snapshot you share with others stitches the fabric of this tapestry we call humanity. Pictures of memories are no longer flat and static. They breathe, they live, they connect. Pictures tell more than 1,000 words. Interactive memories with depth connect more than 1,000 pictures. Living worlds made of interactive memories build a new, ever-expanding dimension. A dimension free of device, physical, or skill limitations. Accessible, fast, frictionless. Free to be you with others. Welcome to the new era of human connection. The interactive, generative dimension where your camera roll comes alive as multi-playable experiences expanding a new social space for stellar togetherness. We're not here just to scrape the sky. We're here to reach the stars together. Star stuff in each of us as the stars in the sky. We're all one, and as one, no one should ever feel lonely again. Starstuff, space for life.
So we stem from the core belief that technology should enrich the human connection, not erode it. Because, as Esther Perel has wisely said, the quality of our relationships equals the quality of our lives. I repeat, the quality of our relationships equals the quality of our life. What if there's something in our everyday lives that can transform our world, our health, our well-being? That something is called social connection. And we need imagination, interaction, and presence for real connectedness. There's a broadly studied healing effect of social connection. And meaningful being and doing with others makes all the difference. Even the simplest interactive togetherness with others activates more neural pathways than passive and isolated scrolling. Social gaming does this well to an extent, but we're still missing the real-world connection, agency, and accessibility. Social connectedness influences our minds, our bodies, our behaviors, all of which influence our health and life expectancy. Research clearly shows that better social connectedness can lead to a longer life, better health, and improved well-being. On Roblox studies, 88% of respondents report that expressing themselves in immersive spaces has improved their ability to express themselves also in the physical world. Studies also show that immersive spaces improve connection with others online and offline. It improves mental health and enriches self-expression. We believe that we can create a better internet connection. We base our product development on the 4 principles of the friendship formula, studied and utilized by, for example, the FBI and EVE Online. The 4 principles of the friendship formula are frequency, proximity, intensity, and duration. Frequent interactions, fostering a sense of familiarity and routine in relationships. Proximity transcends physical space in the online world. By eradicating distances, we allow users to feel close regardless of their real-world location. Intensity is about the depth of the interaction. Meaningful and emotionally rich exchanges with others. Duration means long-lasting interactions that are key to building stronger bonds. Building on the 4 principles of the friendship formula, frequency, proximity, intensity, and duration, we combine the best elements of multiplayer social gaming, UGC, spatial imaging AI, and social networks to truly bring connections alive. Turning camera rolls into living experiences with others, we aim to bridge the gap between real-world connection and online presence. We combine the best elements of multiplayer social gaming, lifelike group activities and events, social network and multisensory messaging, generative AI for automated 4D creation from your camera roll, machine vision, and the latest spatial imaging tools for immersive picture and dynamic element manipulation. Fully customizable, collaborative creation. And this all is easily accessible on all devices on the web. So 3 things. Social multiplayer gaming with user-generated content. Latest spatial imaging AI. Creating an interactive social network as an accessible, frictionless interface for a new spatial generative internet, the SGI. And of course, we want to foster real social connections that expand in the real world. Success is human connection, online and offline. And technology will bridge the gap between the real and the digital worlds and how we engage with each other with more togetherness, belonging, and presence than ever before. A better internet connection is not mere pixels on a screen. It's a worldwide interface for uniting people based on virtually anything. It's a space of portals to past joys, present connections, and future creations. Today, we're launching Starstuff with the stellar team from games, media, and tech, A-level investors, and a dream team of advisors and partners. And here's what we've been working on for the past 10 months.
Wait, I think they're still going.
With our current demand that we need to currently cater to, our pilot partners have a combined community of nearly 30 million followers. And soon we need to accommodate 300 million follower communities on the roadmap. So we're raising seed sooner than expected to answer to the growing demand faster, scaling our tech capabilities and team. So investors, tech talent, do reach out. We want to hear from you. But our true partners, you, humanity, this isn't just our story, it's yours. I'm just a girl standing in front of you, asking you to connect. Not just look at a photo or video of, but to reach out and interact with the real person next to you, to live in their shoes for a moment, to let them live in yours, to share a memory, a moment, be alive together. And if enough of you do so, then maybe we can demolish the loneliness pandemic and create a better internet connection in a better world together. After all, we're all already connected. This is our story. Let's make it stellar, because we're all made of star stuff. Thank you.